So Rory Sutherland, in his Nudge Stock talk this summer, shared this wonderful example of a couple who had triplets who really wanted to buy a 4 or 5 bedroom house on a very specific street. I think it was the same street they're on. They didn't want to move. Problem is, there was only, I think, 20 4-bedroom houses on this street. None of them were for sale. So what do you do if you want to buy a house on a street where none of the houses are for sale? Well, Will, this is where you have to start thinking creatively. They knew, I guess, intuitively about the input bias, that if they put more effort into their ask, more people will say yes. So rather than just sending an email to everyone on the street and saying, is there any chance you're going to sell your house? I think father wrote a handwritten letter to every single house on the street, handwritten for each one. So say, each house got its own personal letter that he had handwritten. He went round, popped him through the letterbox. 8 of the 20 houses invited him round for a viewing. I think 5 actually had a discussion about selling the house and said they would be open to it. 3 gave him an offer, and then the family bought one of those houses. Rory says this is an incredible change in behavior. These are people who did not or were not selling their house. Just a creative use of the input bias made them likely to sell a house.